2, 3.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Never had much faith in love or me.
Kami nandito ngayon sa iyong harapan upang sabihin na mahalaga ang elements at ito'y nakakatulong rin sa ating buhay. Sana'y bigyang halaga ang periodic table of elements. Because you know the periodic table and now you are. You'll be inside. Because you can answer down questions of your mom. Everyone else in the room I know it. Everyone else but you. Kaya naman ngayon ay simulan mo na mag-aralan ang mga elements at na magkaroon na ng mga kaalaman tungkol sa mga elements at chemicals na nakapaloob dito. Na 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 na. Mag-aralan ang mga elements at na magkaroon na ng mga kaalaman tungkol sa mga elements at chemicals na nakapaloob dito. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, noble gas, ang group nila sa elements. Kaya i-memorize mo na para pag tinanong ka na ni Mama Nerd, may isasagot. May isasagot. Nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, selenium, hydrogen. Yan ang mga grupo ng non-metals na itinuro ng aming madam. At pinangaralin ito para hindi na magalit si Ma'am Paner. Borsilicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, polonium. Yan ang metalloids na tinawag rin semi-metal. At tandaan nyo lang, sa periodic table lang yan. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorinaton, potassium, calcium, cadmium, titanium.
2, 1, 2, 3. for the 20th time today. Reading the text you sent me again, though memorize it anyway. Was an afternoon in December when it reminded you of the day when we bumped into each other, but you didn't say hi 'cause I looked away. And maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I haven't moved on since that night, 'cause it's 12:51 and I thought my feelings were gone. But I'm lying on my bed thinking of you again, and the moon shines so bright. But I gotta dry these tears tonight, 'cause you